You would not believe all the bees over here. Seriously. It's just, you wouldn't believe it. Oh. Hope I got that on film. Butterflies out here and black wasps, dragonflies. I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 different types of stuff. I don't know what the hell it even is. Little things, big things, things in between. Every bug you could think of. I'm glad I don't have allergies.